this one's underwater. Wanna go? Everybody's houses are fine though, see? It doesn't even look like anything happened. It's just some high water. So that's good for everybody. You gotta remember this when you're buying property out this way, people. This is gonna happen. Oh look, there's some seagulls. I mean, if you buy that lot, see, there you go, there's your lot. I don't know if anybody owns it or not, but that would be a lot right there. And there's some for sale around here. They look like that. Mine looks like that. Winter rain. Really good. That's not funny. Alright, there's somebody at the kayak park, so I'm going to turn this off, y'all. This is what we're doing. We're cruising around. And this is the water. Oh, there's a big pelican out there. See it? Okay, before I see somebody behind me. Everything looks okay. And look, that wasn't the hurricane. Somebody did that just recently. Maybe they're going to rebuild it. Wish it was us. Take it easy. Oh, look! There you go, y'all. How cool is that?